Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the High Performance Trader. I'm Joshua Salvetti, the YouTube channel that collects reliable data and builds profitable day trading systems based off that data so that you too could get in and out of the market with confidence, control, and conviction. And today we're going to be breaking down a trade that was so beautiful, it literally cleared over 77% ROI, right? It literally happened within the first 30 minutes, but this is the exact type of trade that we execute each and every single day. See, 10 months ago, I set out to develop a study, right? If I followed a very simple 3-step approach, what sort of results would I get? Would I learn to become a confident day trader? Would I be able to execute exactly where I was supposed to each and every single day? And today, that's exactly what I want to break down. I want to break down the results. I want to break down the trade that we took over here on, what was this? 7/3/2025, and I want to break down the strict criteria so that you too can take from this video the exact information you need to start executing this strategy each and every single day. So before we go any further, guys, if you want more information on this strategy, click that first link below in my bio. So everybody that's been following me, I made some changes over here to my website, and it is now a extremely valuable website, right? You come here and you get everything that you need. You click this link right here and you subscribe to our data reports. This way you can get the emails directly to you each and every single week. That guesswork that traders do each and every single day on the market, it's not working, okay? You approaching the market, just winging it each and every single day, that is not working for you. You need to get results now. And the only way that you're ever going to get results is if you study a strategy that actually works. So come here, put your first, last name, email in, and I will send you the high-level summaries, okay? This is the strategy that we trade each and every single day. It's literally 3 steps. Identify open print, identify the moving average cross, identify the RBI, GBI entry, and then you follow the cloud directly to your target. In this example right here on my website, guys, it's literally the exact same trade we took yesterday, right? It's literally each and every single day we look for this specific set of criteria, pulling the guesswork out of trading, pulling the emotion out of the equation so that you can just get in and out of the market with the results that you actually deserve. So come here, check out my website, check out the new members, and if you guys want to join, you already know what to do. Click that link below, get started, right? And then for anybody else that wants to take advantage of this slam dunk summer offer that I got rolling right now, one-time payment, $150, that's me and you, 4 sessions. We schedule once you purchase, and you get 1 full year free on my team. See, I'm building a team of traders that are literally savages. Everyone on my team is an asset. There isn't one trader on my team that's not putting in work, that's not getting better, that's not getting results. So if you want to join a team of killers, click that second link below and get that slam dunk offer that's only going to be around for a little bit longer. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive into the lesson. So the day that we're going to be talking about is 7/2/2025. And you guys can see here, we cleared 77% ROI following our extremely simple 3-step approach, right? And guys, once again, and this is nothing special. This is what we do each and every single day. So let's break down the pre-market plan so I can give you a little bit more context of the way that we approach the market, what it was we were looking for, and what I needed to see to pull that trigger and get in this trade. So pre-market plan right here, 7/2/2025. Critical level of interest is 61637 and 61552, right? Guys, this is literally previous day open print in previous day low. See, I trade what I like to call critical levels. This is your previous day high, low, open, and close. See, we can't move the market, the banks do. So we need to identify what these banks are doing, and the only way to do that is by watching these levels, okay? These levels have supreme amounts of volume. Therefore, the chart patterns at these levels are going to give us the footprint of large money's decision. Okay, so this is the sweet spot I'm looking for. Now, once again, when you look at this chart, you're going to see I do this every single day the exact same way, right? I'm looking to identify who controls the sweet spot. If buyers control the sweet spot, I'm targeting previous day high, okay? If sellers control the sweet spot, I'm targeting previous day low. I'm targeting 61501. See, once again, every day is the exact same. It never changes. Whoever controls the open, I'm trading with. If buyers control the open, I'm targeting upside pit numbers. If sellers control the open, I'm targeting downside pit numbers, pulling the guesswork, pulling the fun out of trading. Trading's not supposed to be fun. You're supposed to make money. And if you're not making money, maybe you should stop having as much fun and start sticking to a simple approach. Okay? These are the exact questions that I myself had to ask myself, right? When you're really transitioning from inconsistency to consistency, you need to check your mindset. You need to check your approach, and you need to check the behaviors that you're implementing each and every single day. Okay? So market opens. Check it out. We're right at that sweet spot. Previous day, open print. Okay? We got end of day right in front of us. Okay? Now check this out. Price sells off. Now we're getting a nice red candle followed by a strong green candle. And then literally over here at 9:40 a.m., this is exactly where I'm going. All right, red bar. We're getting a moving average cross. It's at open print. If this red bar gets ignored, guys, I'm getting in the market long. It's that simple, okay? Open print, moving average cross, red bar gets ignored in the market long. Where does my stop loss go? Directly below the previous candle. See, every single day, guys, it's the exact same. There's no ifs, there's no what ifs, there's no even ifs. It's no matter what, when I see my approach, I execute, okay? The less I think about it, the better. Now, if I come over here to SPY Alerts, I'll show you guys exactly where I called this out for my team, okay? And what was beautiful about this trade is we were actually able to add into this position because of the opportunity that the market kept presenting, okay? Check it out. July 2nd, 2025, 9:45 a.m., I'm in the market long. Here's an SPX chart. Okay, once again, what's happening? We are literally getting a moving average cross followed by a green bar wiping this red bar out. So therefore, my first entry is right here. My stop loss goes right below it. Now, if we scroll down further, you'll see stop right below previous candle. Buyers need to take back this 1 hour trend. Watching open print. Ready? If we get another RBI here, I'm adding into my position, keeping my stop at 61685. Right? And then see here, check it out. Price comes down, bounces directly off open print. Of course it does. Guys, we don't trade this way because we think it's cool. We trade this way because it's tailored to the market dynamics. This is exactly how the market operates. This is how it inherently gravitates from open print to end of day, from end of day to PDH. And we are just getting in the market at spots where we can manage risk appropriately. So right here at 10, I'm adding into my position. Why? Well, once again, the same criteria. Open print, moving average cross, red bar gets ignored. I'm in the market long. Stop is now going directly below this candle so that I can contain risk appropriately. I never want to put myself in a vulnerable scenario. I always want to be in control of how much I'm risking. And on trades like this, we can hedge our bets extremely well because we understand there is an 82% win ratio of this moving for at least $1. And then right here, 10:01, let's get paid. Look at this. Price is just rallying up to the upside. And once again, guys, we're not magicians. We're not Houdini. We just understand the market dynamics, okay? I know when I see this approach, based off data, statistical reliability, the 10 months of data that we've been accumulating for the last literally 10 months tells me when I see this chart pattern, there's an 82% win ratio. Why wouldn't I put my money on it? Why would I trade anything else? See, guys, you got to ask yourself, why are you taking the trades that you are? Is it because you feel good about them? Is it because your gut feeling? Or is it because the data tells you to? Is it because from an objective standpoint, you can actually trust that this chart pattern will perform? And that's exactly what I've done here so that you can become a confident trader, okay? Everybody that joins my team sees dramatic changes immediately. And it's because they're trading way less. They're executing an approach that actually works, and they're using their moving average principles. They're using their market structure principles to capitalize on beautiful trades. And that's exactly what we're able to do over here, 7/2/2025. So guys, take advantage of what I'm offering. I'm building a team of individuals that are willing to put in the work, an army that's not going to stop at anything less than consistent profitability. They're willing to change. Therefore, they're willing to get results. Okay? Do you want to be right or do you want to get rich? Click the links below, join the team, get these data reports sent to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.